Hi everyone, my name is Abuke Igwe and I'm the AI Product Manager here at Modisoft. Today, I'll be introducing you to your new AI business assistant, Sunny. Sunny is designed to break down complex business data into easy to understand insights. Let me give you a quick tour. So if you're not sure what to ask Sunny, the Discover tab has you covered. If you click on the Discover tab, you'll see multiple prompts and you can click any of those prompts and get a quick answer and quick insights. On the bottom left, you see an option for dark mode, and you can use this for a much sleeker nighttime feel. To start a new chat, you can click the new chat button. Once you open a new chat, you see that Sunny has two different models that you can choose from, Mini and Pro. Mini is best for quick daily insights and can help you answer easy questions like what were my 10 least selling items last week. Mini is meant to give you a simple response that can be easily understood, so no need to dig through piles of reports. Now let's dive a bit deeper into this by switching to the Pro model. Now Sunny Pro is ideal for more detailed business analysis and can handle more complex topics. Like, give me suggestions on how I can increase lift on these items. So think of Sunny Pro as your right-hand person. You can ask it for suggestions on how to solve basic issues or complex issues, or even something more in-depth like generating new ideas for promos or menu items. As you can see here, Sunny provides suggestions based on your prompt. Another beneficial feature is by using these icons under the response, you can copy the response as text, export it as an Excel file, or download it as a PDF. Now let me share a few best practices so you can get the most out of Sunny. Now the first thing is Sunny understands everyday language best. So prompt clearly, directly, confidently, avoid abbreviations, no need for industry jargon. Talk to it like you would talk to the person sitting right in front of you. You want to be specific to get better results. So instead of show me busy hours, try what were my busiest hours last week. The more precise you are, the more useful Sunny's response will be. Use natural language. You don't have to sound robotic or overly formal. Speak to it just like you would speak to another teammate. If something seems incorrect about Sunny's response, just let her know. You can say, that doesn't look right, or can you double check? Sunny will always learn from your feedback. And remember, the more you use Sunny, the smarter and more efficient it becomes. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoyed chatting with your new business assistant.